In life, you have to make yourself available to be successful. And you can only make yourself available if you keep your balance in life. Albert Einstein said, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you have to keep moving. And it's the same here. And you stay stagnant when you spend so much time inside of your head, overthinking, trying to get ready, being in the identity, being in belief systems. But you actually keep moving and get the rust off when you move in directions that are your excitements. You're gonna figure it out along the way. But you have to make yourself available in life to encounter success. And there's different ways you do that. Number one is through meditation, because the more you spend time inside of your head, the more you warp your own reality. Literally, by engaging with the thoughts constantly and talking back inside of your head, the brain gives you more thoughts, because we know that the language of the brain is engagement. And the more you engage with those thoughts, the more the brain gives you those stories and thoughts. And it's even worse when you're identified with them. When you're identified with them, you believe that that's what life is. Life is not the thoughts and the stories. But if you believe it, then you think you have a certain identity, you think that is your identity, and that's the kind of person you are, and that's the kind of things you can do. That's why cognitive diffusion is so important. Number two, cognitive diffusion comes from acceptance and commitment therapy, and it's a differentiation between you and your brain. You are not your brain. And there's exercises you can do to practice that. In my book, I have one exercise called the no brain method. You say, no brain, I'm walking right now. No brain, I'm talking to my friends right now. No brain, I'm on the chest press right now. No brain, we're in nature right now. By saying no brain, you're showing yourself that you're not the brain, because you're calling the brain out. You're calling the thoughts out. The thoughts are telling you something like check social media, or think about this problem, or do this. And you're like, no brain, we're walking right now. In that moment, you're shifting your focus in the second sentence, right? The first sentence is no brain. The second sentence is shifting your focus to the action. When you shift the focus to the action with the second sentence, you show your brain that you care about something else than the brain stuff. And over time, the brain gives you less brain stuff, because you show the brain that you don't care about the brain stuff anymore. You show the brain that you care about living life. And then your brain will support you in that. The more you live life, the more you build a business, the more you do projects, the more you hang out with people, the more you joke around, the more the brain gives you support in giving you funny jokes to joke around with people, ideas for podcasts, ideas for your business, because you show your brain that that's what you care about, and your brain wants to support you in what you care about. So you have to make yourself available for success. Another way to make yourself available for success is your health, your fitness. If you're fat, if you don't have fitness, how can you make yourself available for success? Because you don't have the energy. Your body is your energy factory. Your energy factory gets fed with certain things, with food, with training, with meditation. All of that is lowering the resistance and raising the energy, the sense of aliveness. You don't have to get overwhelmed by the things I mentioned here, because the next step is to not make it about being perfect, but about making it about raising territory. You just want to raise territory. You can mess up. The more you say to yourself, I allow myself to mess up, the more you're going to make progress, because you're not going to be mad at messing up. Because when you get mad at messing up, you accumulate thought patterns, because you're like, why am I always like this? Why am I always like this? And as Mark Freeman says, then you're off the path. You stay off the path because you judge yourself. You give meaning. And the more you stay off the path, you're not on your path. You're not making yourself available for success, right? Another step to make yourself available for success is an attitude. Stay lighthearted. Bashar says enlightenment is just about lightening up. If you make life more about lightening up, have fun, do the things that are fun to you, you're going to raise your vibration and you're going to see things in more clarity. It's not that you're attracting things like magically. No, it's that you are lifting through lowering the resistance. you give yourself the ability that your brain, your focus, everything is working with clarity. And you have an easier ability to see opportunities that will be helpful for you, to see ideas that will be helpful for you. Maybe I'm only able to communicate these things right now in the way that I communicate them because I gave myself the atmosphere of success through going to the gym earlier, through meditation, through spending time outside of my head, through following my excitement, as Bashar says, with no insistence on the outcome. So you want to set yourself up for success. And I hope today, the things that I mentioned to you, you can apply them and create this momentum where you make yourself more available to success. Because you want to be this moving target, right? You want to be this moving person because you learn more practically through trial and error what's going to work for you than if you spend time in your head and constantly trying to prepare yourself. That's only going to be a self-help addiction. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions about any videos that you want to see, let me know. If you want to get deeper on my teachings, check out my emotional fitness book. I put it in the link in the description. And I wish you guys a beautiful day. Go outside, spend time outside of your head, and enjoy your life.